How to add product categories in Shopify. Dropshipping 2023. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows you to sell your products online. To help organize your store and make it easier for customers to find what they're looking for, you can create product categories in Shopify. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add product categories in Shopify step by step. Whether you're a dropshipper or a business owner, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a better understanding of how to organize your product and improve your customers' shopping experience. So, let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to shopify.com. Now, currently, I am logged into my account. But for you, if you don't have an account yet, you can simply click on sign up on the homepage of Shopify. Now, the next thing we're going to do is, of course, we're going to add a product to our store. So looking over here on the left side, you can see that we have a product section. We're simply going to click this. And as you can see, we have two options over here. You could either find products to sell, which would allow you to go to other e-commerce website where you could choose products that you could sell, and then you could sell them once again in Shopify as a way of drop shipping. Or you could add your products over here manually, which is what we're going to do for the meantime. So we're going to click this, and we would be redirected to this page over here where we will be able to create a product. Now, this is simply a test product, so this one will be test 1. We're going to create 2 products to show that we would be able to add product catalog later on. So this is test product 1. You could add your description over here. You could add media. This is like a thumbnail or like a preview of the product that you would like to add. I'm going to have this as our thumbnail for now, and we could also edit our pricing over here. For example, this is 15. We'll compare at price 20, and then over here, charge tax on this product, cost per item, maybe 10, just like that. We have 5% profit and a margin over here. We could edit our inventory, our shop location over here. Could continue selling when out of stock. We could also check out the SKU or a barcode, select this. You could also see the shipping over here. Currently, it's a physical product, but you could also have a digital product or a service, so we're going to go with this for now. And over here, you could add variants for our product over here, and you could also edit the search engine listing. Now over here on the right side, we could check out the product status. We could have it as active or draft. We could edit where we will be publishing this product. If you have more store connected to your Shopify, you would be able to publish them as well on those stores. You could also see the product organization over here, the product category. For example, it's art. Over here, product type. Let's say it's a sticker. Just like that. We could have vendor, a collection. Right now we have the collection. We're going to deal with this later on. And we also have tags over here and online store. We're simply going to click on save over here. And we're going to click on back over here. And as you can see, we have one product on our store. And we're going to add one more product so that we have 2 products that we could check out. This time I'm going to name it test 2. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to add a media. This will be my thumbnail for this time. Then we could add the pricing, 15, 20, cost per item is 10, just like this. We could add inventory. This time we're going to have 3, just like that. Then we could see the same setting as we saw earlier. We're going to do digital product or service, and we're simply going to click on save. Now, as you can see, we have 3 products on our product section over here. Now, the next step we're going to go to is the collection option below the products option over here. We're going to click this, and we're simply going to click on create collection. Now over here, this is where we will be creating a collection. For example, we're going to have featured new items, just like that. You could add your description over here, and you could edit the collection type over here. Currently it's on automated, but I'm going to do it manual, just like that. And you could add images also and edit the template. And I'm going back to my products over here. I'm going to open the test 1 product, and over here on the right side, we're going to click on collection, and we're going to check the featured item. Going to disable the home page over here, then click on save. We're going to do the same thing for our test 2. Change the collection to featured item and click on save. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our online store over here. We're going to click this. And in this page, we will be able to see the different themes that we have. Currently, we are using the Dawn theme. So we're going to click on customize. And over here, this is our current website. As you can see here, we have a featured collection already over here, but we're going to change this. Over here on the left side, we could see the different components of our homepage. The first part is an image banner, then we have a featured collection option over here. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to add a section over here, and then you can click on collection list over here. Now under collection, this is where we will be able to select the collection that we will display on this section. And earlier we created a collection. We're simply going to select that, going to click on featured new items, and our featured items will appear over here. We click on select and we click on back. Now if people click on this option over here, they would be redirected to a page where they can check out the different collections over here. And you could also change the name by clicking this heading over here. We could change this to featured product, things like that. And there's also another way to have it like this. As you can see here, we have a featured product, but what we want is a product category, so that's what we're going to do. For now, I'm going to delete this section. I'm going to click on delete section, and we're also going to delete this section over here. We're clicking this just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on add section once again, and then we're going to search in category once again, and then we're going to choose featured collection over here. And as you can see here, this is a different style from what we saw earlier. Now what we're simply going to do is we're going to click this, and we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to click on collection over here, select collection, and then click on featured product, and then click on select. And as you can see here, we have our 2 products that we have created earlier. Now we would simply change our featured collection over here to product category, just like that. And we're simply going to click on the back, and as you can see here, we have our product category over here. Now we're simply going to click on save, and we're going to click on the 3 dots over here, and we're going to click on view. Now this is a live preview of our page, and as you can see, we have our product category over here. If we have more products, it would appear over here also. So if we click on a specific product, we would be redirected to the product page as we are seeing right now. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.